The lighting applied to your project is a preview and will look different when rendering. It's typically a trial and error process to get good results. Let's cover the essential rendering settings. Open the Render menu and expand the Render Properties tab. Ensure that the Shadows button here is enabled. Next, expand the BPR Shadow tab. Adjusting these two sliders will control the shading on your render. Adjust the Angle slider and press the BPR button here to render and see the results. Continue to increase the angle and click BPR and render until your render stops improving visually. Adjust the blur slider to soften your shadows even more. Continue to move your lights around for different looks and lighting effects.